some wires. They're not more Northgate wires for the end. They still are some wires.
Well,
Wires that is.
Just one of those days where it's going to be white out, slippery, cars in the ditch. It's only a few inches, but oh man, I missed the first storm of the year. So I'll let you know every time I see something new and interesting popping up. It's bound to be an interesting day. It's a mess. See, now that the storm is over, there's accidents all over the place. Now, you know, during the storm, you couldn't see, one car maybe this morning. Now, coming here this afternoon, it's 2 o'clock. The storm has been over for a couple of hours. Roads are drying out, you see. Roads are drying out. There's accidents all over the place. No, you would think that, which leads me to think that the problem is that when people start getting confident again, they step on it and they screw up. That's the problem is. See back there, there's an accident over there. Over there. Can't see it, but that's what's causing the delay here. There's probably a couple cars in the ditch. I'll get it later when I... Here we are. There's a truck, a couple cop cars, car over here, truck over there. Now there's the thing there. It was probably down over here where there was the OPP is here. That was the car.